Okay, part 3 and the final part of the restoration project. I've tested the quartz crystal inside the watch on my crystal testing machine, my Zantec machine, and it does appear to be working, although it's 120 seconds per month slow, but it is still working. But I'm afraid that's as far as I can get with this project. I've been unable to locate any stepper motor for the winding mechanism on the analog side, and I'm unable to repair the LCD screen. So unfortunately, I've had to stop and I can't progress any further, which is a real shame. But so I've decided to put her up on eBay as a complete item, and you'll be able to buy it if you want it. It's a shame. I've done as much as I can with the knowledge I have, and I've run up against it. The only way I can repair this now is to replace the module, and I just can't find one. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to stop there and let someone else enjoy the watch. Someone who wants to repair it or who has break it for spares. But anyway, it'll be up on eBay in about 24 hours time. So, and it'll be a buy it now as well. I haven't decided on the price, but I'll sit down and work out. I've had a look at what some of the other broken Albatrosses are being sold for, and they're around £1,200. So, and that's broken. So we'll see, but otherwise, the restoration's come out all right. It's a little bit scratched, but whoever buys this will be able to polish it up and redo it, and they'll end up with a really nice watch. It is a superbly well-made watch. So anyway, let it be, and we'll see what happens. Thank you.